this is the makeup look for today. I just did something clean, glowy, and I pulled my hair back into like a slick ponytail. It's not that slick because I don't like too much product in my hair, but she's looking a little flat, but it's okay. But anyway, I just realized I didn't even say hi yet in this vlog because you guys just saw me do my makeup. But hello, it is literally like 2 p.m. on a Sunday, and I thought I'd pick up the camera and finally start vlogging again. So I'm gonna go ahead and change into an outfit today. I just got some new things in from Zara because I saw this striped sweater. I feel like these striped sweaters are everywhere right now, but it's like oversized, large fit. I got it in a medium, I think. I think I'm wearing this today because I want like the turtleneck with the hair. Putting this over my black coat will break it up. Okay, I think I've decided. Lippy of the day. Yeah, I ended up not leaving my apartment. I just made a few TikToks because I'm gonna go out later. I'm like hungry and I was gonna go out to like eat something, but I have so much food. So instead of going out to buy something, I'm just gonna eat this and then maybe I'll go on a walk. But yeah, I need to go outside today. I literally have been a hermit, so.
Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's
alright guys, I'm back home. I didn't really vlog much of my walk, but I have a haul for the walk because I can't ever not just window shop, so I try not to go into any crazy stores, but I did buy some groceries at Whole Foods on my way back. But here's my quick little haul from Newberry. I got these bookie almonds, flavored almonds. These are like so good, these snacks. And then I also got refills of my eyeliner and mascara. I went to Brandy. I got these really cute earrings. I generally don't buy jewelry from Brandy, but these caught my eye because they were just like these really cute little bead earrings. And I got two basic tops. I probably shouldn't eat right now because I have dinner at 8 and it's currently 6, so I'm gonna save my stomach and not snack. Is this the outfit? I have not decided to put on any makeup today. I might later because I have plans later in the day, which I'm excited about. But it's just been an off morning. A lot of life changes that I'll talk to you guys about later. But yeah, so let's get to work. As you guys know, I've been on co-op. There has just been a lot of looming pressure and stress on my shoulders, and honestly the past few months my mental health hasn't been too great, and I'm not vulnerable enough to kind of pick up the camera and talk about it very nonchalantly with you all. So I've been gone, very unpresent across socials, and I just wanted to really be more open. I've struggled with mental health since high school, just being stressed out and anxious about a lot of things pertaining to my life, family, relationships, friendships, everything, which is why I'm so happy and excited to work with BetterHelp on today's video. So thank you to BetterHelp for sponsoring this portion of today's video. If you don't know, BetterHelp is customized online therapy, and they offer video, live chat, and phone sessions with your therapist so that you don't have to see anyone on camera if you don't want to. There's a broad range of expertise on BetterHelp from over 20,000 therapists that gives you access to help that might not be available in your area directly. So that was like one hiccup that I had as well. I was just like scared of not finding someone that would fit my needs in therapy if it had to be someone in proximity. And I'll share the process of how to sign up. It's super easy. It'll be like under 5 minutes to fill out your questionnaire. In the questionnaire, it'll just help you assess your specific needs, and then you get matched with a therapist in under like 48 hours, and I got assigned my therapist within a day. So it's super fast and easy. From there, after you get assigned your therapist, you can set up secure video and phone calls, and you get unlimited messaging, and everything that you are talking about and messaging is completely confidential. What makes the platform even better is that if you're not vibing or matching up with your therapist, you can sign up and try a new therapist at no additional charge and at any time. And I know you guys are hearing this from me, but literally because there's so many people using BetterHelp, they're recruiting more therapists in all 50 states in the United States, and you can join the 2 million people who have taken charge of their mental health like me with BetterHelp. And part of this partnership is that you guys can get 10% off on your first month with this link, and I'll also leave the link down below for you guys to check out for more information. But yeah, thank you so much to BetterHelp for sponsoring today's video. They helped me find my therapist and start that journey for me, because I think it's been a long time coming. I should have done this many months, maybe years ago. So anyway, there's just a lot of stress when it comes to your 20s, and I'm currently 21. I'm turning 22 this year, and I put a lot of pressure on myself earlier this year where I was like, oh my god, it's my golden year because I turned 22 on the 22nd in 2022 this year. And I don't know why I did that to myself, because it really psyched me out at the beginning of this year. I wanted to post weekly since January, and have not met that goal, and like I really beat myself up because of those things, and a lot of my personal life conflicts have really just like added to that effect with all my issues in friendships and just like my anxiety as well. Like that's something that I really want to talk about during my therapy sessions and really hone in on, is like I've never felt this anxious in my entire life. Sometimes I wake up with just my chest, just my heart just beating out of my chest in anxiety, because I'm like so scared of the day. Like I don't want to disappoint people. I don't want to be disappointed either. Like I don't want people to disappoint me, so I'm scared of that. And I guess fear and scared is like kind of the word I'm looking for. I don't know exactly if that's what I'm like feeling, but I have never experienced so much anxiety my entire life, and social anxiety as well. Just being social is kind of hard for me, and putting myself out there to make new friends has been really hard, because I just don't know exactly how to trust people. I have like major trust issues with friends, like platonic friendships, and it is just like the worst thing about me. Thank you for spending time with me and doing like 20% of my face, because I'm so slow, but my camera's dying anyway. I will catch you guys in a second.
I see 한여름에 더 나은 겨울 Yeah, 거의 cold Yeah, 너와 있을 때 I swear 제가 먼저 zero 폭설한 그 chill day 꿈에도 I wasn't dumb 나만
We're at happy hour after work now. I took a nap today, so we left late, but I just tried this on. She's cute, but not $600 cute, so. Happy Friday! I'm like thinking of getting one of these lamps, but this one's too small. It's the cheapest, 28. This one's 99, but I think this is the one I'm gonna go for. She's so, not she, I don't know, Boris. Boris is so cute! And then this is the big one. I could never though. Ooh. I think this is the crate that I want to get for Catherine's birthday. I just don't know what color. I think it's gonna be this color and this size. This is what I look like right now. Cute. Success. I bought the baskets I wanted. but I also haven't started today's day. Oh, you wanna go? We're just in Soho killing time before dinner. We're having my favorite Korean barbecue, jangro, tonight, so I'm just trying to get hungry. But yeah, it's Friday. It's kind of empty here, a little bit. But we're not on the main street, but it does feel emptier. Usually the Starbucks is bustling. Should I grab coffee? Yeah, I'll grab a tiny one.
Let it go. 얼어붙어 like whoa. 띵하고 어지러워. I see. 한여름에도 넌 겨울. Yeah, 가요 cold. Yeah, 너와 있을 때 I swear. 제가 먼저 zero. 폭설한 그 children.
Oh, what? But yeah, this is the outfit of the day.
Hi! Make sure to subscribe!
Subscribe to mine!
No, subscribe to Lisa. That's what I meant. Currently on the subway. And it's very crowded right now, but you know.
I have yet again didn't vlog all day, but I hope you guys enjoyed my iPhone clips. I had my camera and I didn't pull it out, but it's nighttime now and I just ate dinner. I had Vit food twice today, but I had boomba for dinner, so I switched it up. But anyway, we're just walking now and I'm gonna meet up with my friends later for dessert. But we're in Soho and it's super busy. I don't know why I'm always here. We go here like once a day. Every day I'm here. It is Sunday, and I forgot that we ate. I didn't film that, but we ate, and it's like 4 now. Is it 4? We're in Soho. It's like our last day here, so we're just walking around. I'm not really doing anything, I guess.